Okie dokie. This is an unboxing of Rob Crozier or Rob Crozier, not sure. 3 knives. The newspaper. I always wanted a newspaper. Please, quit hiccuping in my phone, bro. Okay. Guess I could use the scissors that are right here. Oh, cool. We got some cards. Rolling Thunder knives. Check them out. Really good work. Awesome knives. I haven't seen one I didn't like. It's like Christmas. Very nice. Beautiful knife. Wow. RTK. Perfect. Got a nice edge, but not enough that you'd cut yourself. Beautiful knife. Oh, good grief. Awesome. Beautiful. Great job, sir. Beautiful knives. Thank you very much. And anybody watching this, I highly suggest checking out Rolling Thunder's knives. Rob Crozier. Awesome. Beautiful. Super happy. Very impressed. And thank you.